Welcome to Sesanda Family Business. Today is the chicken talk. Today we're gonna talk about inkoko. Chike nitugenda kwawula inkoko tugenda kwogera ku z'amagi. Akisanda Mixed Farm zitukora broilers. Tukora layers only. And our layers are from Turkey. Those layers, why we get them from Turkey? Because they lay so 2 years. Now, on our next video about the chicken talk, we're gonna talk about why we get them from Turkey. Why they live for that long period? Is it true why they live for that long period? What are their disease resistance? Comparison to those ones which are on the market. What is the comparisons? Why did we choose this? At Sesanda Mixed Farm, we pride in the word why, because it gives us solutions, answers, and everything we need to know. Because without a why, you can see the future. Always ask yourself the why question. At Sesanda Enterprises, we ask ourselves the why question. Kwibuuza lwaki ebintu bikola. Now, it's the chicken talk. Tugenda kwogera kutandika kutya enkoko. Enkoko z'abagagga oba z'abaavu. Abantu bafunamu nkoko oba ke bazifunamu. It's the chicken talk. Ky'olaba mu video is one of our farms. The twina is a layers chicken, and the biggest opened one is in Nakasongola. You are here to see if you follow us on this chicken talk. Note, we have the different types. You have the chicken talk, the ghost talk, the maize talk. Yes, in between, everything has its own episodes. Now the chicken talk, we will gonna know the starter. How did we start? So the chickens, layers chicken, those who know us. It has been years and years in this business. For layers chicken, it has been years and years in this business. We know what we do with this chicken. We know the market why it is. We know the challenges. It has been a good number of years. We have worked with different local markets. We have bought different drugs at the local market. We have bought different breeds of chicken at the local market. We have done that for all these years with the chicken talk. You know, at Sesanda Mixed Farm, we gonna give you the best. There you see all you eggs already on the market. For the chicken, the eggs are already on the market. The yellow yolk, our chickens are good from Turkey. All our eggs are great organically. They're organic. The chickens are fed on organic. You're gonna see the feeds. You see the maize if you're following us on the maize talk. You see our maize. We plant our own maize. We treat our own maize, and we feed the chicken our own maize. That means we bring quality to quality to quality, then to quantity with quality. We shall thrive in that. We're blessed in that. We are chicken farmers. We are layers. That's where we major, as in the goat's meat. We are in goats, and we major in meat, buchomo, with the goat's meat. That's where we are. With the poultry, we sell our off layers too. Those who know who buy them, they know we come and sell our layers. Our off layers still like big. They still big, and some will say, is this an off layer? Yeah, that's an off layer which has laid full 2 good yards. Which have disease resistant. We know why we do that, but with the chicken startup, you have to be more focused. These creatures here are so complicated. They are so tricky. Chickens are so tricky. They need maximum supervision. They need cleanliness paramount, workers paramount, but the startup is easy. Startup with what type of breed of chicken are you gonna buy? Tipo abantu tubagala okugula gya obukoko wawali obuto wande chicks waraishi bari batunda 10 12 biri meka dice ekyalayishi kiseeza ate waliwo ekyalayishi bari kiseeza ngu kibagenza badeni nzingo olina kalimi olina omusanda ekikumu byonna kulonda kituufu n'okibageneko ng'okakasa kino kyentandika nakyo sente zange kyenyido gezesaamu sente zange kinaakula ojja gula obukooko nga buto obukooko bufa mu nnaku lumu obukooko 5 obukooko 100 obukooko 2 obukooko 10 nga bufa buli lunaku buli ssaawa 5 obujjanjabi tegaatuula bateri prihya bakugambira senyiga kyakola bagamba bwina musujja omusujjura bukyakonze buno obuwawati obwekuti bwe buti buwanise mu banka ogamba kisesimo bannabi binandikosi breed yenkoko. What type of breed did you buy? Is that type of breed reacting with the medicine? What types of drugs are you using? Where are you getting your drugs? Compare where are you getting your drugs and the type of chicken you have. As they compacted, Jawabu Zenkoko, what does he recommend the types of drug you use? Jawabu Zenkoko, baso meseza chinga kunabrakutanika. Soko jet wige. Se clean aba CF Esnil, F Ezibafu, certified farming assistant, and farming assistant have already trained in Yakura Munkoko, or Yakura Mumbozi, or Yari Mundiniro, or Yari Multipurpose, or Sumomuko Sanga manager. Training online on the YouTube for us on our YouTube channel, on our TikTok channel, Sesanda Family Business, Sesanda Mix Farm. You're gonna see what is done and so. Gasibia Kurima. People are there doing the right thing with the right knowledge, but they don't willing to share. We're here to share with you, but don't bring ego. Don't be jealous. No, don't get jealousy. We're helping many. We're helping those who need knowledge, who are eager to get it. You who know this knowledge, don't hinder the lack of the other ones to know and develop their family. If you failed in some way, you failed. It's you who failed. But failure in us, we also failed at one time point. But failure with us is a learning point. Failure is a lesson. We pick from points where we have to make angle so that we can win again. At Sesanda Mix Farm, we like warriors. When we bring an obstacle, we find the solution. They are mathematical solutions, they are scientific solutions, they are natural solutions, they are mindset solution. And the knowledge we seek, and the Lord we pray and worship. Let us use all aspects of our knowledge to hail the next generation. Sign solace, sign grace, sign blessing, sign wisdom, sign the past. There are people who are willing to learn. Don't hinder them. Share the video, share everything. Send a video to somebody who you see who wants to do that, who's looking for that knowledge. We're here to train, to teach you how it's done. With the word sharing and sharing, giving knowledge and give the other knowledge, it's the same as receiving knowledge and receiving. As we're giving our, we're receiving too. As we're giving, we're getting more customers who will get quality products. We deal with quality. We have quantity, but quality is our first priority. We produce if it is quantity, but it has quality with it. And we are happy in what we do because farming is what we do as a Sesanda Mix Farm. Farming is one of our business in the Sesanda family business. Thank you for listening to Sesanda. Thank you for listening to Sesanda Mix Farm. Watch out for our chicken toe part 2. It's just the start. It's just the beginning. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.